USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. And yes, I hope we are all in the same page on this ongoing, very crucial, very important civil justice sign off. As it is a multitasking after all, right? I'm signing the civil justice for myself, then I'm also displaying who are the true criminals to the United States of America, and then as a multitasking, I sure will get the civil justice for the entire human kingdom as well. So it's all a multitasking process, okay? So yes, this civil justice sign off is for myself. Why? Because United States of America, with fatal negligence, they enforced poverty for me, and the United States of America nation do not have any birthright to enforce poverty to me, right? And in spite of that, they created the robocall poverty enforcement Holocaust help processing, and that is why the civil justice needs to be signed off. And I am Veda Priya, and I am pro se and a true civil lawyer, true civil supreme judge, true civil doctor, and according to the guidelines as in Holy Bible, and I am signing off civil justice for myself in front of all nations, in front of all human beings, and I will get the civil justice in the rightful way. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Pro Se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So, the scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide ASEAN, there is one more Islam cunning organization called as the Republica ISIL, right? So, what is that? ISIL is another version of ISIS only, but it's called as ISIL because it is the Iraq, Syria, Levant, Mosul government of Islam Judaism. So, I want to provide quick testimony without delaying. When I was working on the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, I, with my help, with my wisdom education alone, because United States of government, the Pentagon, the military, they were just breaking their heads. They just could not figure out why on the earth these foolish, absolute leprosy diseased Iraq, Syria, the fake Israel, the Gaza, all these people are always fighting forever, right? They were just breaking their head. But then it was only after my education, I educated United States of American government, and that time the Democrat government administration was President Obama, and Vice President was Joe Biden, and the Hillary Clinton was also in that government, and then Kerry, right? His name is Kerry, John Kerry. He was also there in the admin, and they were all breaking their heads because they were all very much involved in that Afghanistan wars and Iraq wars and peace wars as in fake Israel and Gaza wars, right? So they were just breaking out their heads. They could not figure it out what exactly is going on all the foolish Islam nations, because every single day the people are getting killed, and it's too much of a liability, too much of a medical compensation, like that. But then I stepped in. I educated in a very wisdom, in a very patientful way, and I educated that there are some groups in the Islam world, Judaism. They are called as Yazidis, like Yazidis, or they would spell it out with E also, but it's always coming as an Yazidis, right? And then there is another group of the Islams called as the Kurdish, like Kurdish. Okay, now these, I will go very fast, okay? I do not want to delay. I just want to keep it short, at least to the max of 10 minutes. So, they were just going very fast. Those Kurdish and the Yazidis, even among the Islam group, and they call it as a caliphate, like how we call denomination in Christianity or casteism. It's the same thing, but they have the different term called the caliphates. Okay, so they were having different caliphates. Like highest is the Sunni Islam, Shia Islam, Sharia law, right? And but then even among that groupism, there is the two major group called Yazidis and the Kurdish. So they were being tortured by these Islam people who are very dominant, like it can be the Arab, like Dubai, those people, and the Syria leader, like that. So every single day they were throwing bombs and they were killing those population. They, like how Queen Elizabeth wanted to kill all the native Indian tribes. It's the same thing, but in an Islam version, I would say. So then I educated everything, right? It was like I displayed the mask of all the scandalers, the scammers, and USA got it. And they were able to freeze that ISIS scammers. And because of my help only, they were able to even provide a temporary border processing and help out those minorities, the Kurdish and the Yazidis population who are being thrashed every single day in that Iraq. And the exact location is Levant and Mosul. So imagine how much $1 trillion of help I provided, right? When I said that then Democrat admin President Obama and then the Republican government President Trump, those two presidents are absolutely aware of my hard labor which I provided. So then on the other hand, yes, they were got the help, and the people of the Iraq, they never even knew that I was the one who provided those help, right? But then when everybody got the help and everybody got the fundings and everything, sadly, with blinded eyes, the United States of American government, they never even bothered to pay me any salary for that. So today I'm asking rightful salary and they should pay for me, right? So imagine that labor I provided. I don't know anybody, everybody is strangers only, right? And I don't know anybody in that Iraq, Levant, Mosul location. But those people, they got whatever they got in a temporary assistance at least. At least the borders was at least assigned to them. Right, so it is a long way to go. Only I have to step in because they are all my blood drops, my fellow mankind. Each and every single civilian in Iraq, Iran, right? I already told you, be it Lebanon, anywhere in Islam nation, Pakistan, they're all my blood drops. So how can I guide them? Only when I step in and start my job, right? So, but at least now with my civil justice sign up for myself, all the nations are getting aware why I am the excellent supreme judge after all, for all nations, right? So yes, it's I will quickly read the civil justice. So we are all on the same page on that, right? So that is why I want only President Trump and President Obama to be credited, because only when their administration I was working on that project, the volunteer project, and both those presidents, President Trump was not lawyer, but still he was listening to my wisdom. President Obama was struggling, even though he was a lawyer, he was struggling on how to rule how to do the task, but with my wisdom only, he was able to provide those tasks as well. So that itself is a live proof how my governance is excellent, and everybody knows that I am an excellent leader. Okay. So for I Vedapriya Pro Se proved scandal of absolute monarchs as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account. So I am Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So, scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide assess as an Republica Isilis, Iraq, Syria, Levant, Mosul, government of Islam, Judaism, never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Veda Priya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and true civil supreme civil judge, and it is fatal negligence of ISIL, that is Iraq, Syria, Levant, Mosul government of Islam Judaism, and it is a crime of Republica is a ISIL as an Iraq, Syria, Levant, Mosul government of Islam Judaism to be fatal negligence and for hiding truth of fake Israel to fool USA nation. So either USA government should say knows who is Republica, ISIL is Iraq, Syria, Levant, Mosul government of Islam Judaism, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica, ISIL is Iraq, Syria, Levant, Mosul government of Islam Judaism. So the extended civil justice sign off for myself is as of today is I Veda Priya, pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off Republica ISIL is Iraq, Syria, Levant, Mosul government of Islam Judaism with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Veda Priya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 only enforced poverty mandate to I Veda Priya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced a finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6th of 2021. So finance disabled to I Veda Priya Prose was also enforced by United States of Government America with fatal negligence. So it is a crime for Republica ISIL is Iraq, Syria, Levant, Mosul government of Islam Judaism. When ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforce poverty to I Veda Priya Prose. So civil justices, I Veda Priya Prose want United States of America Citibank CEO to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38, and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. And each Republican, ISIS is Iraq, Syria, ISIL is Iraq, Syria, then Levant, Mosul government of Islam Judaism must sign off tax-free $1 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And for I Veda Priya Prose, despite the scandal of absolute monarchs, I Veda Priya Prose want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name Vedapriya as a civil justice served, and I Vedapriya Prose to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served, and Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served, and I Vedapriya Prose to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served, and I Vedapriya Prose to become the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya to become Prose to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports, Exports, Fair Trade Process, Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India and must get the dual citizenship of USA and India now is the civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page, and it took 13 minutes. So, but it was because I have to provide the testimony for how I helped United States of government to solve that ISIL border issue. And only with my solutions alone, it was during that President Obama's administration, those border around that, Iraq, Levant, Mosul was provided, and the minority population were helped. It is only a starting point. There is a long way to go. So I have to step in and provide the more healthy guidelines. Okay, so I own Iraq. Okay, each dust in Iraq belongs to me. So whoever destroyed Iraq in pieces, they have to pay the price. Okay, so thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.